Let's make a resin flower coaster. So I have my mold filled up 2/3 of the way with clear resin. I am using the resin from Balaji Resin World. I dropped down a cute little pressed flower in the center. I am using a little daisy now. I am gonna go in with my alcohol inks. I am going to drop those down, give them a little swirl with my silicone paintbrush. Then we're going to go in and draw our flower petals. I am going to use Balaji Resin World's white epoxy paste to draw my flower petals. I am going to start with 5 large petals, do a smaller petal underneath each of those, and then a smaller petal underneath that one. So basically 5 petals and then 3 petals on each individual petal, graduating down in size as we make it down towards the center, where that real flower is, and that's it. I'm going to let it dry overnight. I didn't add any heat to this because the resin I use really works well to make these flower coasters without heat. I'll link all the materials I am using down below in the description box. The next day, I went in with some glitter and just filled the molds up the rest of the day. Let that dry for 24 hours. And here we are ready to demold it. I think it turned out so pretty. I just love the depth and dimension on this one. It's got a really pretty different variation of colors as well from those alcohol inks that we used. I just love making my flower coasters like this. Hope you guys give it a try, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, go check out a few more of my other videos and let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye guys.